Hello everybody. It's been summertime and the stone fruit season has been super intense. I overbought lots of nectarines and I decided to make this beautiful and delicious nectarine crumble. You can use any stone fruit. Cherries and peaches would also work beautifully. And if you really don't have those fruits, you can do this with blueberries. So let me show you this fantastic recipe done completely in the slow cooker. Now for the crumble section of this recipe, it's actually very modifiable according to your preferences. I choose to use a little bit less oil than usual in the crumble, and I substitute with cashew butter. To make this really beautiful and crispy, I recommend using coconut manna, or basically coconut puree, instead of cashew butter. You can also use coconut oil, but coconut manna has more nutrients in it because it contains the actual coconut and not just the coconut fat. So I will leave all of these modifications in the description for you, in addition to my favorite products, so you can purchase the ones that I love and adore myself. And by using the coconut manna, the crumble will be crispier than what appears if you follow this recipe as is. I try to use less saturated fat in my cooking, so I typically like to substitute the oils for cashew butter, any kind of nut butter, or olive oil or avocado oil. Using more avocado oil or olive oil will also help it crisp, but coconut manna works the best, or coconut oil. So I just wanted to include that here. I am using date sugar and other natural sweeteners in order to make this recipe very nice and sweet. You can definitely use regular plain old sugar if that's what you have on hand and prefer anyway. So let's get back to the rest of the recipe. Okay, now all we're gonna do is cook on high for 2 hours. You don't need to mix it, you just let it do its thing. Hey everyone, thank you for watching this week. I hope you really enjoyed this recipe. Of course, this recipe is now coming out at the end of summer, at the beginning of fall. So if you have any leftover stone fruit, be sure to use it up using this recipe. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this recipe, especially if you tried it. Let me know any other ideas that you're interested in. Be sure to follow me on Instagram, where I post every single day, in addition to subscribing to this channel so you never miss a recipe. I post full recipes every single Friday and daily recipe inspiration, fitness motivation, or PhD shorts every single day. So I really hope you come along for the journey. Thanks again, and I hope you have a wonderful day.